Mayo Clinic Health System in Crosse will see new leadership when the month is over.
Well, Mayo's current CEO, Tim Johnson, announced earlier this year that he'll be returning to patient care.
News 8's Sarah Tamer sat down with him today and has more on his story. Sarah?
For the last 8 years, Tim Johnson served as regional vice president, and while he was still involved with patient care on a weekly basis, he tells me he's looking forward to spending more time with patients and less time on the administrative side.
8 years in any leadership role is a long time.
Tim Johnson has been caring for patients since the 80s.
Our patients are our primary customer, and they need to be cared for and treated with the utmost respect.
Serving as Mayo's regional vice president, he considers himself outspoken and passionate.
Everybody needs access to excellent health care.
That's why Johnson says it's time to focus on that passion.
I will just be doing a little more patient care and less work overall.
He says while it's always rewarding, patient care has its challenges.
What were some of the biggest problems that you identified in this line of work?
Well, certainly a shortage of providers. We can't generate physicians fast enough to meet the need.
He says translating ever-evolving technology into affordable health care is often a tough puzzle to solve.
It's not affordable, and we have to figure out how to make it affordable.
And when it comes to the reality of the industry, he's not afraid to speak up.
Healthcare is big business in many respects, and is profitable for many of the sectors in healthcare, and there's nothing wrong with that. But we have to align the business of healthcare with the healing that has to take place.
It's that same concern for patients that's making his transition from leadership to patient care seamless.
So you're turning 64 on Friday. There's no sign of you slowing down.
I don't think I'll be slowing down yet, but I think a little more of my time will be with family, with grandchildren, and I do like recreation in the outdoors, and this is such a great place for that, so I'm looking forward to that.
Johnson also says he looks forward to having a little less stress on his plate. When it comes to leadership, he says change is good and necessary.
All right, thanks so much, Sarah. Dr. Paul Mueller will be the new head of Mayo Clinic Health System.